This project boat is a 24-foot Sea Ray Bowrider. We'll start with the bow cover installation. The first step is to put the fitting snaps on various studs around the bow. We then unpack the new canvas. The fitting snaps allow us to test fit the whole canvas without us having to put any permanent snaps in place. We start by putting the back center seam on the back center stud and the front center seam on the front center stud. We continue along the outside edge until the canvas is fully fitted. With the canvas in place, it's time to start pressing snaps. We find an empty stud and then use this chalk to mark the center of the stud through the canvas. Next, use the hoover to press the snap into the canvas. Then, snap the canvas to the boat. We continue on for another 10 minutes, removing the fitting spikes, chalking the location of the stud, and pressing the snaps. Lastly, we install the support pole to make the canvas nice and tight. For the cockpit cover, we again start by putting the fitting snaps on various studs going around the boat. We then unpack the new canvas and lay it in place over the windshield. Because it's a windy day, clamps are used to hold the canvas in place over the bimini frame mounts. We use the fitting snaps to hold the canvas in place, making sure it reaches all of the snap studs on the boat. With the fitting complete, the canvas looks good, and it's time to start installing the snaps. In this time-lapse video, you'll see we make our way around the boat, removing the fitting snaps and pressing the permanent caps and sockets using the Hoover snap tool. Pressing the new snaps in place took about 30 minutes, and the whole process is pretty easy because the positioning caps hold the canvas in place, so it takes the guesswork out of positioning the canvas. It took us just over an hour to install both covers on the Sea Ray Bowrider.